Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Gratitude. So this is the first episode where I'll be speaking about a topic because in the very first video it was just a brief introduction about what I'm going to do on this channel. So the first topic on which I'll be speaking about is gratitude. I mean the virtue gratitude. So after my first video, lots of people have reached out to me for understanding the meaning of gratitude. Because see, most of us are confused as to what does this word actually mean. So, expressing your gratitude to someone means that you are thankful to the other person or thing. And just because you are thankful does not mean that you have to return a favor. Being thankful does not mean that you have given the other person an opportunity wherein he can ask you to return his favor. So, most of us have this fear in our head which keeps nagging that what if I express my gratitude and what if the other person feels that I've given him an opportunity wherein he can ask me to return his favor. So see, this is something, or basically this fear emanates from the thing that we somehow feel the same way. Suppose if someone else expresses his gratitude towards us, we start feeling that we have actually done something, and if we have actually done something for someone, then it might create an opportunity for us to get something in return in future. Whereas this shouldn't be the case, because let's assume you are in a position, you have done something for someone, suppose you are, and that was done in a good faith. And when that was done in a good faith, then there shouldn't be an expectation of return from doing such a deed. So, this expression of gratitude is something which has become very much important in our lives, because that is something which keeps us grounded. Suppose if we are in a place, suppose if we have this body, we should be grateful for this, because we are still so much better than most of the people. However, I'm not asking you to be adamant and arrogant because of this, but then you should be grounded, because that is something which you have been endowed with by someone. Maybe it might be, when I'm saying this someone, or when I'm saying someone, I'm referring to the Almighty. So that sort of groundedness comes when you are grateful towards something. If you try to mull over it, you will realize that whatever you are, or maybe whatever I am, it is just because of someone else. Whether it is my body, whether it is the costume I'm wearing, or whether the words I'm speaking. So I have learned to speak from somewhere, and I should be grateful for it. And not only should I be grateful for it, but I should also express it, because that might also encourage the other person to keep doing the same thing for others, because that deed of his or her is actually creating a difference in this world. So that is a cycle which must keep continuing. So suppose I'm speaking to you, I'm speaking on this channel, I'm speaking in English language, I'm speaking things which I might have understood or grabbed from somewhere else. So if you actually think about it, there's nothing which I own, which was inherited to me, which was my, right. It wasn't my right. Being given this body wasn't my right at all. And even if it was my right, I don't even recognize or realize that I had that right. So that sense that you don't know about anything and that you have been given a thing from someone else should keep you grounded. And again, I'm reiterating that sort of, if the gratitude actually grounds you. See, this corona thing which lately had happened, had made us realize that nothing stands above our being, our existence. Or in fact, there's another way around, that it also made us realize that money is very important for us, because the people who were actually stuck in this lockdown without money had to suffer a lot. They were struggling to even, feed themselves. The people who had enough had enjoyed in the lockdown, but if you actually think about the people who were left with no money, who were surviving on their daily wages, had to struggle a lot. They didn't even have the money to return to their homes as well. There were so many stranded laborers. Since I'm from India, I know the situation of India. There was a plethora of people there who were stuck, who were actually fighting, who were actually crying all the way throughout lockdown. You know what? We become so much engrossed in our daily chorus that we don't feel, or we don't realize that how important it is to acknowledge the fact, to acknowledge the reality. That expressing gratitude not only keeps you grounded, but it also brings positivity to your life. So if I take my example, lately I have started expressing gratitude, if not directly, indirectly, to so many things, to so many people around me. I am grateful to what I am. I am grateful to my organization, which has helped me become the person I am right now. I daily express my gratitude towards listening to podcasts, towards reading books, towards the Almighty for giving the life I am living right now. To myself, lastly to myself, for the things I'm doing. And I'm also grateful to you guys that you have taken some time out to watch my video. And I just want your time to be worth it. I just want to somehow bring positivity to everyone's life. Maybe by making a video, or maybe by giving them an experience which just adds to their personality. I'm so grateful to you guys that you have taken some time out to listen to me, and I hope I just have made something, or I just have added something to your personality, to your life, and I hope to continue doing the same, and I'll try to come up with some better content the next time. Thank you.